Have you ever stopped to think, what happens to a graphic designer when a machine can create a full visual in seconds? A poster, a social media ad, even a full website layout, all in minutes. Does that make you obsolete or open up a whole new world of creativity? I am Anna, and today we're diving deep into AI and graphic design. I'm talking about the risks, the opportunities, the changes in workflow, and how you can stay ahead. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know the mindset that separates designers who thrive from those who fall behind. AI is not science fiction. It's not a tool for the future. It's here, right now, in studios everywhere. Tasks that once took hours, like removing backgrounds, adjusting colors, creating multiple layouts, or generating dozens of drafts, can now happen in minutes. And here's the exciting part. AI doesn't just copy what's been done. It can suggest things you might never imagine. Mood boards, font combinations, color palettes, even composition styles you've never considered. Suddenly, designers have hundreds of options at their fingertips, options that previously might have taken days or weeks to explore manually. Picture this. You're designing a campaign poster for a new fashion brand. Before, generating 5 variations could take an entire day. Now, AI can generate 20 in minutes. 20 concepts to explore, 20 ways to see what works and what doesn't. More time for the story, the concept, the emotion behind the design. And it's not just about speed. AI can push your creativity to places you wouldn't normally go. Maybe it combines a color palette you would never have tried, or suggests a layout that looks unusual, but somehow just works. This is where magic happens. When your human intuition meets AI's raw processing power. So here's a question for you. If AI handles the grunt work, how much time could you reclaim for creativity, for ideas that really push boundaries? AI can handle repetition, but it cannot feel emotion. It cannot understand cultural nuance, subtle symbolism, or what will resonate deeply with an audience. That's where you come in. Your role as a designer is evolving. It's no longer about spending hours manually adjusting layouts or resizing images. Your value now is in defining the brand identity, crafting the story, making strategic choices, and curating AI output into something truly unique and human. Think of AI as your turbo engine. You still hold the steering wheel. You decide the direction, you decide the message, you decide the impact. Let me give you a real-world example. Imagine a small coffee shop trying to launch a campaign. AI can generate 10 different poster styles in minutes, but only a designer can decide which one captures the shop's cozy, welcoming vibe, which one reflects the story of the barista, the aroma of freshly ground coffee, the community gathering in the corner. That's the human touch. That's what separates AI output from meaningful design. Of course, there are risks. AI is powerful, but it has limits. Designs generated by AI can become generic, predictable, or stock-like. If every brand uses the same tools, visuals start to feel the same. That's why relying solely on AI can be dangerous. There are also ethical and legal concerns. Some AI outputs are generated from datasets that may include copyrighted work. Using these outputs without careful checking could land you or your client in trouble. And let's not forget client expectations. Because AI can do things fast, some clients might expect instant results. A 10-minute AI layout could feel soulless if it's delivered without refinement, without the human touch that gives it meaning. So how do designers thrive in this AI-driven era? The secret is simple. Blend human vision with AI speed. Use AI for drafts, mood boards, and exploring ideas quickly. Then step in, refine it, humanize it, add your perspective, add emotion, add purpose, add brand voice. These are things AI cannot replicate. Focus on skills AI cannot do: storytelling, typography, UX thinking, emotional design, cultural insight. Treat AI as a teammate, not a replacement. The best designs come from this combination: human intuition plus machine efficiency. Think about the possibilities. With AI handling repetitive tasks, you can experiment more, test bolder ideas, explore new styles, and create meaningful work faster than ever before. You can finally push boundaries, take risks, and create designs that leave a lasting impression. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you had an idea that completely surprised you? An idea that came out of nowhere and just worked? Imagine if AI could help you explore dozens of possibilities in minutes, giving you the chance to discover more of those moments every day. That's not replacing you, that's empowering you. Now consider creativity itself. AI can generate options, but it cannot choose which ideas are meaningful, which visuals resonate, or which concept aligns perfectly with a brand story. That's where your intuition, your understanding of culture, and your emotional intelligence come in. Those are your superpowers, and they've never been more important. Here's a question for you. Do you see AI as a threat or an opportunity to make designers even more powerful? Could AI free you from repetitive work and allow you to create your best ideas? Or do you worry it might cheapen the value of your work? Think about it and comment below. I want to hear your thoughts. AI is a tool, a powerful tool, a tool that can free your mind, speed up your workflow, and help you focus on what matters most: creativity, emotion, and connection. It can generate options, but it cannot replace the human spark. So, is AI a threat? Maybe, but mostly it's an ally. It's here to help designers work smarter, faster, and more creatively. It can generate options, but it cannot replace the human spark. If you want more insights on AI, design, marketing, and how to stay ahead in this fast-changing world, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell, and join me on this journey. Don't miss the next video, because the future of design is here, and it's exciting.